Stop spending $5 a day on watered-down café lattes. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 home espresso machines on the market to help you find your perfect morning ritual. Let's dive in. Number 1, the heavy hitter Breville Barista Express. First up is the undisputed heavyweight champion, the Breville Barista Express. This is an all-in-one powerhouse designed to take you from fresh beans to a rich shot in under 60 seconds. Pros: it features a built-in precision conical burr grinder, automatic dosing, and PID digital temperature control so you don't burn your extraction. Cons: it takes up quite a bit of counter real estate, and dialing in the perfect grind size has a slight learning curve for beginners. If you want a complete, barista-level coffee shop experience built into one machine, the Barista Express is hard to beat. But what if you want something a bit more traditional and Italian? Let's check out number 2. Number 2, the Purist's Choice Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Number 2 is the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Straight out of Italy, this machine is an absolute tank built for the espresso purist who loves the classic, manual ritual. Pros: it uses rock-solid commercial components, extracts at a perfect 9 billion Argentine pesos of pressure, and features a commercial-grade 3-way solenoid valve for clean, dry coffee pucks. Cons: there is no built-in grinder, so you'll need to buy a separate one, and it lacks digital temperature automation. The Gaggia is perfect for the hobbyist who wants a machine built to last a lifetime. But hey, if you just want great espresso at the push of a button with zero cleanup, our next pick is for you. Number 3, the ultimate convenience Nespresso Essenza Mini. Number 3 is the ultra-sleek, ultra-fast Nespresso Essenza Mini. If you have zero time in the morning and a tiny kitchen, this is your savior. Pros: it is incredibly compact, warms up almost instantly, and guarantees a consistent, mess-free espresso shot every single time. Cons: you are locked into using coffee pods, which means less customization over your flavor profile and slightly higher long-term costs per cup. For absolute effortless mornings, the Essenza Mini is a champion. But let's say you want manual control, massive steam pressure, and you're on a tight budget. Watch this. Number 4, the budget surprise atatix 20-bar espresso machine. Coming in at number 4 is the surprise value pick, the atatix espresso machine. This budget-friendly option packs a shocking amount of punch for its price point. Pros: it boasts a powerful 20-bar pump system to ensure maximum extraction, hits the sweet spot brewing temperature in 30 seconds, and includes a highly capable manual steam wand. Cons: the exterior uses more plastic components than its premium rivals, and the longevity won't compete with the heavy-duty legacy brands. If you want a full espresso setup without breaking the bank, the atatix is an incredible entry point. Finally, let's look at a premium compact machine that doesn't compromise on power. Number 5, the compact powerhouse Breville Bambino. Last but definitely not least, number 5 is the Breville Bambino. Think of this as the compact, streamlined sibling to our number 1 pick. Pros: it features a ridiculous 3-second heat-up time thanks to the thermojet system, automated microfoam milk texturing, and pulls a true café-quality shot using a 19-gram dose. Cons: like the Gaggia, it doesn't have an integrated grinder, and because the machine is so lightweight, you have to hold it down when locking in the portafilter. The Bambino is perfect for anyone who wants top-tier Breville performance but only has a few inches of counter space to spare. Whether you want the all-in-one powerhouse, an authentic Italian manual machine, or a quick pod solution, there is something here for every coffee lover. Drop a comment below letting me know which machine you're picking, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next review. Happy brewing!